Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unarchive messages on Telegram. So let's get into it. First of all, open your Telegram app. There are two ways to unarchive your chats. You can choose to unarchive them one by one or select multiple conversations before doing so. To unarchive a single chat, you must first navigate to your archives folder. Find the chat you no longer want to archive and swipe left. The chat will be back on your chat list. As for unarchiving multiple chats, you need to press and hold the chats you want to unarchive until new actions appear. You will immediately see that the chats you have selected have been marked with check icon. Then, you must click on three vertical points that are in the upper right corner and select Unarchived. The chat will be back on your chat list. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video did help you out, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.